This is the beginning of our resilience training, and by now you've all had a chance to look at the 15-minute film on the Lorax. And today we're going to spend a little bit more time looking at what really happened in the Lorax and how this has relevance for resilience and your training as future resilience experts. So now we're going to build a timeline of what really happened in the Lorax. And we'll start at the beginning of the story, where we have the pristine truffula forest. And then we have the arrival of the first onceler. And followed very closely after that, we have the felling of the first tree. We can see at this point in time there's a market demand for finese. And as a result of that, we get the immigration of the whole onceler family to the whole region. And as a result of that, what we're getting is infrastructure investment. We're getting roads. And we're getting schools and shops. So what we're actually getting is the setup of a vibrant community of oncelers. And as a result, we get an increase in harvest. And the increase in harvest is actually a result of a lot of research and development and a technological advancement of the Lorax hacker. You can chop down 4 trees at once. And at this point in time, we see the regional extinction of the barbaroots. And following very closely from that is also the regional extinction of the swans. Because as we can see, the market demand for needs actually goes up at this stage, and as a result you get a whole big process of biggering, an increase in factories and large-scale industrialisation process. And probably as a result of that, we get an increase in pollution, so much so that we get the regional extinction of hummingfish. And they're not following that. The last tree is felled. And the whole mead industry, the local area, collapses. And at this point in time, the viability of the community decreases. We get massive unemployment, school closures, the collapse of the urban centres, And then we get a massive emigration of wanslers. And then finally, right at the end of the story, we have an attempted rehabilitation with that one single seed. And interestingly, we're left with that question about what really happened.